Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl and Joy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix false lashes like a pro. Are you guys seeing my lashes? How to fix these false lashes as like a pro. But before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because you know you're gonna like it. So make sure you share, make sure you comment on how you feel about this DIY. Yeah, this is a DIY. On how you feel about this DIY video I'm about to show you. And to my old subscribers, I love you guys so much, so make sure you like this video, you comment, and you share also. Okay, so now let's get down to the video. Alright, we are going to be needing our lash glue and a really good quality lashes. Guys, you don't want to get a fake cheap lash so your eyes won't be looking fake and cheap. This is really not that expensive, just 700 naira, but it's looking really nice. Like, it's looking really nice. And you want to cut out the edges if you have a small eyes like mine, but if you don't have to. You can just trim it a bit, but I really cut this deep because I have a small eyes. So this is how it's going to be looking. If you like full lashes, that's fine, but I prefer mine really scanty. Now guys, you want to be putting it at the top. You want to put in the bond at the top of the lashes, not the bottom. The regular way you put it before is at the bottom, but here we're placing it at the top of the lashes, guys, just the way I'm doing it now. Alright guys, after this you want to make sure you blow it dry a bit. Don't leave it wet so you won't get your eyes watery and messed up, and don't make it too dry, if not it won't stick. And here we are putting it at the bottom of the lashes, not the top, guys. I hope you're listening to this. At the bottom of the lashes, take note of that, and it's going to stick perfectly as long as it's not too wet or too dry. And that is it. At the bottom, directly under the bottom of the lashes, and that's it. Very simple, guys. This is the final look. Your girl be looking like a baddie. Damn girl, you fine as hell. Alright guys, that's how you fix a false lashes, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was really helpful. Let me come closer so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope to see you on my next video. Make sure you click on that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you share. I love you. Bye, to my next time. See you next time.